Hey everyone, so how's your Wednesday? So today, right, we're going to talk about sugar. Sugar is bad for you. So, all of you know that I used to love sugar. I used to eat cakes every day, and I used to have my kopi with sugar and my teh tarik. So teh tarik is tea with milk plus sugar, and then coffee tarik means coffee with milk plus sugar. So I used to be addicted to all these beverages that I always been drinking every day and every night. I could have like maybe 3 cups of coffee every day. So that's my, oh my goodness, that's my indulgence for sugar. So I want to tell you more about sugar, because do you know that whenever you have something like you have a packet of Milo, a drink, right? That's half a pack of sugar already. You have maybe like those Milo tin that you bought. That's half a can of sugar inside. Coke, if you drink Coke, right, it's half a can is sugar. So do you know that sugar has so many toxic effects in your body? So because there's so many talks about anti-sugar these days, so I want to add to you and tell you a confirmation. For those people who want to get rid of their tummy, you have tummy fats, right? That's because of sugar, too many sugar. Or if you have if you tend to walk and then suddenly you have this very difficulty to breathe, that's also sugar. And then sometimes if you suddenly eat a lot of sugar, and then there's a plateau effect, you get very high easily, then after that you get tired easily. So that's also sugar. And also sugar give you depression as well. There's so many toxic effect of sugar. So let me list it for you. The toxic effect of sugar, it speeds up aging process. So some of you may ask me, how old am I? So I'm gonna call myself Mei Mo Nu. Okay, this is Bimajo. This is a nickname given by my good friend, new friend, you. She said that I am Bimajo Mei Mo Nu. Okay, so because she said that I don't look like my age. So some of you have already know my age. I'm 40s, in my 40s already. So she said that I still look very young. I look like 30 plus. I'm like, oh really? Thank you so much. So I'm gonna tell you. So toxic effects of sugar. So it speeds up aging process. So if you want to look younger, stop eating too much sugar. And then sugar will make you lose hair as well, and then it will help you, and you will have a lot of pimples. Your pores will be very big, So sugar effect is that bad. And then you will actually gradually suppresses your immunity system, and then it will disturb your mineral balance in the body. It raises cholesterol. So if you have high cholesterol, when you do your test, right, it means that you have too many sugar in your diet. So my doctor was like saying, no, hey, you have a bit of sugar high, but right now it's controllable, but then your cholesterol is so healthy. So that's what I got from him. So I guess it's because I control sugar and I do a lot of exercise right now. So if you're eating a lot of sugar, right, try to do at least 150 minutes a week exercise. So I do about 180 minutes a week right now for my exercise. So, and then sugar will also cause Alzheimer, and then it will cause diabetes, tooth decay, weight gain, obesity. So if you want to get rid of that tummy, so stop eating too much sugar. And then sugar will also have a lot of UTI, urine infection, for women and for men. So you tend to have urine infection often, please stop sugar. And then sugar will cause depression and anxiety. And then cancer feeds on sugar, we all know. And then sugar also weaken your eyesight. So right now, because I'm a bit 老花, right, but I'm adjusting my degree right now. So my optometrist Sunny said that I still quite okay. My eyesight is still quite okay. Sugar will also cause heart diseases, asthma, arthritis, hormonal imbalances, appendicitis, yeah. And then also fatty liver, constipation, so fluid retention, and migraines and headaches. If you tend to withdraw sugar for a few days, you tend to have withdrawal symptoms like headaches and migraines, but that's very common. So persist in your goal to cut sugar. I managed to cut sugar a lot. So in my coffee or in my tea, I will put a little bit of milk, but for my coffee there's no more sugar anymore, no more, there's low fat milk. Yeah, so I tend to choose things low fats. Okay, so I just want to tell you some of the sugar that's labeled as low fats, right, can taste a bit bland, okay, but it's still better than full sugar, you know what I mean? So okay, I want to tell you more about sugar. Has many names, so the food industry tricks you into thinking the sugar content in food products are lower than they really are. You might see maltodextrin, one of the ingredients, high fructose corn syrup and sorbitol on the same label, not realizing it's all sugar. Also fake sugar, like those stevias, all this is also not healthy to take it every day. So take heed that this is your only temple, body temple, yeah, so you cannot change your spare tire. So take good care of your body, and then when you know, in your 40s, in your 50s and 60s, you will thank me because you'll be healthier and not pay all your money to the doctor. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!